Watch this. If you're dealing with piles, whether internal or external, grade 1, 2, 3, and bleeding piles, and you're grappling with intense pain, and you've tried every possible remedy, and it seems like surgery is your last resort, let me break it down for you. Surgery, whether it involves sclerotherapy injections, rubber band ligation, laser procedures, or even Ayurvedic Shar Sutra, might seem like the only way forward. However, let's expand our horizons. Surgery is intricate and carries risks, and its success isn't guaranteed, with many experiencing recurrence. Now let's introduce you to a revolutionary solution: pilesmatrix. It's beyond a mere medicine. It's a game changer. This Ayurvedic marvel reduces blood flow to veins, leading to the shrinkage of masses within days. The astonishing part? The intense pain often subsides rapidly. Consider this insight. Many opt for surgery, only to confront the same issue again. Why? Because the underlying causes remain untouched. Pilesmatrix offer more than medicine, a potent dietary plan, and has transformed dire cases. Give the medicine a try, and if it doesn't meet your expectations, reach out to us. Our doctors and dietitians are ready to assist. If satisfaction isn't achieved, rest assured, a refund is guaranteed. Our paramount concern is your well-being. Imagine resolving your piles troubles from the comfort of your home. To order pilesmatrix, click on the link below and visit yogamanlab.com.